Hello and welcome to 2 Minute Watches. Today we've got the Seiko SSK029 K1. It's the GMT watch here that you've got various different SKX models with this in, with the blue and black. There's the purple, or the grape one as well. So they've got a few of these, but this is the limited edition one that's only sold in Asia, and this comes in the ice blue dial. So you can see in the light there, it's it's kind of mixture between white and blue, as you'd expect. So I think ice blue is the probably the right description. You've got a lot going here. You've got the blue minute and hour hands, and then you've got the red GMT hand. You've got the marking, the 24-hour markings on the outside of the. I'm not sure what material it is. I could say obviously not maybe a sapphire bezel. I'm going to say sapphire, but I'd have to look into it. And you've got the same markers as you do on all the other Seiko 5 SKX divers. So a lot of kind of markers and kind of sporty aesthetics around here with the bezel. You've got the movement on the back of the open caseback, which houses the 4R movement on a Seiko, pretty standard, along with a signed rotor. Actually looks quite nice. I haven't seen one of these in a while. This is a limited edition model, so I think there's a number here. See, 0554 out of 1,000. And then I think there's something that says limited edition somewhere here as well. There we go, limited edition. So overall nice watch. I think if you really want to get a GMT dive watch, I think there really isn't anything at this price point. I think you can get them anywhere from about £300 to £400. So basically pick your colour. This one's a bit more safe, blue and black, kind of, I can't remember, is it Batman? Blue and black? I think it is Batman. Kind of on the bezel, but the ice blue gives it a different touch. Colourful because of the different hour hands. The bracelet itself, you've got I think this is a stamped outer signed Seiko outer clasp and the stamped inner. Mixed feelings on the stamped because it doesn't feel as solid as the milled solid that you get on the other high-end Seikos, but I think it is more true to the diver aesthetic to have something that is stamped. So as long as it's good quality, which is, it doesn't feel too flimsy. There's definitely ones that feel worse. So there's that, and you've got the Jubilee bracelet there, so that'll make it super comfy. Even poor Jubilee bracelets, because of the way the 5 links articulate, usually quite a comfortable experience, but there seems to be a good quality of brushing and polishing. Seiko they tend to not make the best build quality bracelets at the cheaper end, but finishing usually looks okay. And I think at this price point, getting a GMT automatic, you can't really ask for more at the price. I think. Wrist shot on my 6.25 inch wrist, 42.5mm case size. So obviously you're going to wear quite large. I'm just trying to put it next to the light. But the lug to lug is only 46mm. It's quite short. Even, I mean, less than the SVB 143 on the Prospex diver. So it doesn't hang, which is good. But it is quite thick. Just going to put that there. But evidently wearable. You're never gonna. Doesn't look too big at all. It's just, it would pop up on top of the wrist for a bit. But yeah, I think despite what the case size might suggest, actually a very eminently wearable watch. So do check one out and don't be too afraid, even if you've got smaller wrists.